So this is T-Moon. He's doing some work right now. How are you today? Oh, he went back to do his work. T-Moon, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thanks.
Awesome. Now he goes back to work. He is a workaholic, you guys. This is how I have him all set up so far. He's in a little tray and it keeps him from falling off my desk. I didn't say your name this time. Hands up. Boom. Boom. I'm so bad at these games. Boom. Boom. Oh no. Ooh, you touched the bullet. You touched the bullet. You touched the bullet. I think my nail is preventing me from getting the right spot. It's like right here. Alright, we'll do that later. He's working anyway. Let me leave him alone. And there go the little crew. So this is Brun, Guise, Brûlé, and Blanc. And this is their little ball. This is actually a stress ball. It feels so good. And that's Agua right there. She's just chilling. Thankfully, someone purchased the other one that I bought, because I bought two for, the other one was for a family member, but she has other stuff, so she didn't really want it. So I was like, you know what, since it's brand new, let me go ahead and sell it. And I was able to for about the same amount that I paid for it. You all up in my conversation. And this one over here, I gotta do my 4-month update for Dessa. So just, you know, kind of look out for that. Let me show you her real quick. Dessa, say hi. Say hi, Dessa. Dessa. She's like, what? She's chilling right now, y'all. But yeah, she has like a lot more things compared to when she was born in May. Now she's 5 months old. So it's a lot of new things that I've noticed that she does. But I'll have a new video for you guys coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one.